all of my charge controllers, and eventually we're putting in a water wheel. The water wheel will come in here and tie into these bus bars, okay? So I'll come in here. So out of the charge controllers, they come into this bus bar. The negative comes to this side, positives come to this side. And then I have them coming into a 400 amp breaker. That breaker is the shutoff between my batteries and the charge controllers, okay? If I wanted to work on something, that's how I turn this off. I turn that off there. I can still leave these running, which there's really no purpose. So I could turn off all of those, and I could turn that off, and I could work on this, and it would be totally separated from the DC power, and it would also be separated from the charge controller power. Okay, so these are bus bars. I got those on Amazon. The set of them was like 25 bucks for, for both of them, and they're 400 amp bars. Okay.